Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. I've got a really nice one. This is a 2012 Infiniti QX56 with only 33,000 miles. This car is absolutely gorgeous. The tires are brand new. I've got pictures in the gallery. Brand new tires. This has got the deluxe touring package. It's got the big wheels, 22-inch wheels. There's not a scuff on any of them. Take a look in the passenger side here. Very nice tan interior. Carpets are perfect. The seats are perfect. Unbelievably clean. All serviced up, ready to go. Does have the DVDs in the back. Bucket seats in the middle. The console. Extremely clean vehicle here. There's no scuffs or damage on the bumpers. There's no dents anywhere. No scratches. 2012 with 33,000 miles. There's your screens. Big console. Both of the headphones are in there in the package. I do have 2 keys for this as well, and all the books. It's got heated seats, navigation. It's got the 360-degree cameras. You see all the way around you. Even this driver's side is extremely clean. Look at this seat. I mean, I don't know where you can get a full-size luxury SUV with 33,000 miles for this price. I just find it, send it to me, please. Very clean. Power rear door, of course. There's the mileage, 33,179. Leather steering wheel, heated leather steering wheel. This wood trim is some of the nicest I've seen in any car. I mean, I've sold a bunch of these and I always thought that this was a really nice wood trim. Clean Carfax, non-smoker, no stories whatsoever, ready to go. The car will last a long time. I have a sister who put like 250,000 miles on one just like this. And then she got another one. Very nice. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. Lots of pictures in the photo gallery. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I'm always getting very low mileage cars like this. Do a lot of classics also. Follow us on Instagram. Rogers_motorcars. I can ship this right to your driveway. I can work with any bank that you want to use for financing. Cash deals are great. Those are easy. If you're long distance, we trade a few emails, some text messages, whatever. FaceTime me if you want. We can do it all remote. Make these deals very easy. Go look at all my reviews. So anyway, give us a call.